to the mission. Process the cocaine paste and play my position.
Okay, listen, while I'm out there, just get me my product before we chop off your hands. For workers' misconduct, I got the power to shoot a copper and not get charged. And it would be sad to see your family in front of a firing squad. So to feed your kids, I need these bricks, 40 tons in total.
Yeah. Harlem streets stay flooded in white powder, like those motherfuckers running away from the Twin Towers. Gunshots rock the earth like a meteor. My people making them deceitful, cannibalistic and lethal. But I see through the mentality implanted in us, and I educate my fam about who we should trust. Send the dead fetus to my ex on Valentine's Day. The safety's off, nigga, so get the fuck out my way. Obnoxious nigga, murderous lyrics, I know that you hear it. Now that I'm getting closer and closer, I know that you feel it. You eating off rap, and I hope you show from your gimmick. Niggas said hip-hop was dead, but owners are doing showcases, throwing events. Light bill, I'm fucking you up, nigga. Besides, you ain't doing this for the love, you ain't doing this for the exposure. You charging up to $10 at the door. I want $53 million for my college hands, like the Bush administration gave to the Taliban. And fuck packing grams, nigga, learn to speak and behave. You wanna spend 20 years as a government slave? 2 million people in prison, keep the government paid. Stuck in a 6x8 cell, alive in a grave. I was made by revolution to speak to the masses. Deep in the club, toast the truth. Reach for your classes, I'll burn an orphanage.
Fucking know that nothing, but I'm going to get yum yum. We got the mustard rum, all night with I get the right to wear all night.
Each year's gone, and you going with it.
And now these parasites want a percent of my ass cap, trying to control perspective like an acid flashback. But here's a quotable for every single record exec: get your fucking hands on a pocket, nigga, like Malcolm X. But this ain't a movie, I'm not a fan.